whatever, you know how to do it. Man, we're about to run the city off this one. Right, let's flood this bitch, let's work. I live a fast life, hit the club, then we flash ice. Aphies of that white girl, kept a nigga cash right.
What's going on, everybody? Today is hot as hell in Michigan, almost like 100 degrees. Today, let's get in. I made $1,000 today in the forex market trading gold. So here we are on the charts for today, June 17th. That's how gold was looking this morning, around 8:30 a.m. Eastern time, right before New York session. Pretty much seeing gold came down through London right here, ended up coming back up, retesting this area. It came on down as soon as I woke up. So at this level, I already know with my 0.618 Fibonacci level, which I'll show you right here. Pretty much from the lows to the highs, seeing this level marked up right here. Pretty much my keys level to trade off of. A lot of people don't like them. They don't like to trade fibs, but I'll show you guys that they're clear as day and they just help your trading to find major key levels for support and resistance. But it's pretty much what I was looking at. Pretty much seeing this pop up right here. Pretty much expected gold coming down here to make a fake out and then coming back up here and then at least retest the highs. And if it wanted to break up above here, expect to at least retest the highs above here, right around 2324, 2326 area. The reason why I look at these levels, which I'll show you, this is another Fibonacci golden fib area as well. Pretty much take it from this area right here that started to drive on down. Pretty much the first bearish candle, they had the continuation to break through the lows to the start of the trend on down all the way through London. So see right here, pretty much had this candle right here. And pretty much if you take the Fibonacci tool from the highs, from there to the lows, got our other golden pocket right there, right around this level. It's pretty much looking at this area, pretty much seeing all these rejection wicks right here, in this area, in this area. It's pretty much looking at anything in this area, look for rejection also, because we are in a downtrend. We did break out of this area right here. And that's why I was looking for the retest, pretty much taking buys on up from there. And pretty much was looking at for what to happen. We're coming down right here below. Pretty much looking at this as a fake out to come back into range. Pretty much look just like this. To at least retest the highs over here, or at least break through above here and retest my area or my target, which I was looking for. So I end up entering buys right here around 2320 area, which is target right above there, stop loss right below the lows. At my entry, clear as day. You've seen this happen many times before. You could also call this the motion if you watch DVS. It's pretty much made a low right here, made a high, pretty much faking out back into range from here, then coming back up. Stop loss in place, target in place, pretty much just let it play out from there. So came up here, got the target pretty much within 15 minutes, which was beautiful. Seen the setup perfectly, woke up, entered, ended up closing full around 2324 area, as I was saying, because I was looking for shorts around there. Ended up tapping our 2326 area. And I was looking for shorts from there, but wanted to wait for the 30-minute candle. And from then, as you can see, let's play it, pretty much ended up coming straight down. So I missed the entry on the 2324 area, but I was looking for more sells if we do come back up into this range. We had a profit secured right here, secured about 47 pips on this run. Here we came down through Asian and London, as you can see right here. Pretty much had this downtrend. That's a clear downtrend line. Ended up breaking it this morning, retesting it around this area, which is also the 0.618 area, our major support, resistance flip. Making higher highs, higher lows, showing that bullish pressure was in. I was in there right there. Secured the buys around 2324 area, and then followed my play and looked for sells around 2324 once again. Once it came down, it came up and retested it. So once I seen that, 0.618 Fibonacci rejection, bears were in play, breaking the lows, had this wick to fill. I was in there. It stops above the high. and TP at 100 pips. So 2324 entries. It's actually 2323.7 right around there. And TP at 2313. And within about 45 minutes, ended up hitting 100 pip take profit. And it was a beautiful, beautiful trade, guys. Came straight down. This is pretty much the area where liquidity was grabbed. Head on lower to break the lows below 23.15 that the Asian and London made. So even though we broke out of here, making this little uptrend, this is pretty much just like a bear flag, if you want to call it, or just a tracement to the 0.618. There's not enough pressure to break above this resistance right here that was previous to the support. So a support resistance flip, retracement to head on lower to break the lows. So beautiful, beautiful trade, guys. So it would have been like at least a 2,500 day or $3,000 day if I didn't secure partials on the way down, but always good to secure, but I need to work on just letting my trades run. If it hits stop loss, hit stop loss, hit take profit, hit take profit, but I end up pretty much closing on the way down, little bits here and there. If I let that boy run, would have been a crazy day, but can't complain at all. But today we secured about $1,000, not complain at all. And a beautiful day, guys. Next rejection area that you're looking for, just go down here, pretty much see that here, we at the bottom of this entire range. And here, we have the new high that was made this new high. So where do you think price will reject off of? Let's see. So the price that started this actual range is actually, or the actual push, with this area right here, start that. We're gonna take our fib tool and go right here to the highs. Mark up our golden fib zone. Pretty much here, you see, is a bad level, respected throughout that entire range right there. So we're looking for rejections right here to take buys off of to head on higher, to at least reject at the next 0.618 Fibonacci level or the next resistance level right here. So let's see what happens. So say right here, we're looking for buys. Got the rejection, everything looking good. Stops below the lows. Then take profit at the next Fibonacci level from the top side. So right now we are looking at potential, well, let's say 60-70 pips take profit with a 40 pip stop loss, which is pretty much good risk reward. So let's see what happens from here. So just broke the highs, still making higher highs, higher lows, and this is where we're at right now, guys. So if we would have just followed this exact setup, same strategy, would have been up about 50 pips on this move. I did not take this, but it's beautiful. Honestly, it was off the chart for this time, but if I would have seen it, might have taken it, but it's pretty much 2 trades for today. I probably wouldn't have been out, but it trades up 50 pips so far. If you would have entered on that, pretty much following the same setup. But pretty much, what do I do to see if the price is rejecting off of me or if the price is not going in my favor? Pretty much what I look at is, say we're right here in profit, stops break even, of course, once we're up about this much pips. You pretty much want to take the fib tool, pretty much the high of it's where we're at, since we're in a buy, vice versa if we're in a sell. So we got our high right here, and we got our low right over here. Got this a major level right here that is respected across the board. It's pretty much the range that we're in right here, from 23.21 to 23.17 or 23.16 areas. Gonna do this to make it a bit more clean. But pretty much what I'll be looking for is, say if we do come on down, say end up making some bearish candles coming on down right here, I expect this to either bounce off of this level, respect it, make higher highs, higher lows, recap the highs at 23.26 area, 23.24 areas, or if it does not respect that, then it'll either break through here, end up failing, and once that is broken, I'll be out of the trade, because once that 0.618 golden tip zone is disrespected, it's pretty much showing you that the lower highs and lower lows are being made. Pretty much you should be out of the trade.